Alrighty, good morning, traders, and welcome to the Pip Hunter Trading Show this morning. My name is Gary Fickard, known to many as the FxBigDog. And as we go ahead and take a look at trade opportunities this morning, I want to keep everyone in mind that we're chasing after 20 pips in the market using a cost averaging trading approach. Now, we're going to be looking for support and resistance to be able to trade the market based on those levels. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at multiple currency pairs. Hopefully, you had a great weekend. I certainly did. Won a major tournament at our club called the two-man team tournament. It was a really awesome 2-day tournament. Scramble, alternate shots, all that good stuff added in there. We are champions for the weekend. Now let's see if we're going to be champions for this week as we go ahead and to address the markets. With that being said, traders, let's go ahead and take a quick short break. We'll be back right after this. We'll take a look and see what the market has to offer us. All right, see you in a minute. All right, traders, well, welcome back, and good to have everyone here. Hopefully everyone is ready to rock and roll this week. Happy Tuesday to everyone. And we're going to go ahead and dig into the markets right now, take a look at some different currency pairs, see if we've got opportunities. Now, in this session, we don't go ahead and analyze all the currency pairs, all 28 currency pairs, but we look at a few currency pairs and we look for opportunity. So let's go take a look and see what's going on. And I want to remind everyone, if you have not subscribed to this channel already, you may want to go ahead and do so. Subscribe to the channel, but also go ahead and do us a great favor and smash the like button down below. If you'd like to see more of these videos, if you enjoy these sessions, we do them on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel so we can continue to drive the videos out every single week. Now, with that being said, remember, traders, we broadcast at 9:15. At least we try. Start at 9:15 every morning on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and a Thursday as we go ahead and look for trade opportunities. So good to have everyone here. I see there are familiar faces out there. Fantastic. I do not have my producer in the session today, so I'm busy directing everything at the moment right now. Actually, Cameron is on honeymoon. He got married last weekend, and not this past weekend, but the weekend before that. He got married to a beautiful, beautiful bride, Lexi, and they are having a good time right now, enjoying their honeymoon. So I am firing at all cylinders on my own today. So I want to go ahead and make sure that everyone gets the information. Now, if you have not seen our trade replica yet, you may want to go ahead and check it out. Go to our website, TradersNetworkClub.com. Check that out because we've got some great results that we want to go ahead and make sure that we share with you. We closed out with 153% last year alone. We closed out with 80. How many pips was it? 18,500. I had to take a look at the screen. 18,500 pips we closed out last year. And this year we have off on a great start. We're over 60% already. I believe we're at 66% so far already this year. So check out our trade replica. Go to our website. It's called the Professional Membership. You may want to check that out. And also, traders, also keeping in mind that everything we do here in this trading room are things that you can get your hands onto. In specifically the tool that we trade. All right, we use a specific tool called the Pip Grabber Trading Tool, where we actually, I might have to go change the name, but we use that tool to be able to enter the market at certain levels and allow the system to manage the trades for us. So we make the decision where we want to enter and how we want to enter, and then we go ahead and let the trading system go ahead and do everything it needs to do. Now, when you subscribe to the starter membership, you actually get access to all our signals that we do in the trade replica. So if you don't want to go for the trade replica, you want to have more hands-on, go ahead and subscribe to the starter membership where you actually get the trade signals and the tool to be able to follow the signals that we go ahead and send out to you. We want to make sure that everyone gets access to at least something that we do, whether you're doing it manually and following our trade signals, or if you actually get connected to our trade replica, where the trade replica places all the trades for you automatically without you needing software, without needing VPS, without needing charting, all of that good stuff. So make sure you guys get your hands on that. Now, good morning, everyone. We got a lot of early birds this morning. Rex, good morning to you. Susan's always in the house. Good morning to you. We have Austin, Sharon. Good morning, Sharon. Sharon says awesome. There we go. Always good to see Gary. Good morning, Gary. John is in the house. John is out in Canada. Good morning, John. Who else we got out here? All right, Sharon says, congrats, Cameron. All right, fantastic. Yes, absolutely. There we go. Any photos? Maybe we'll get some photos. Cameron won't know that next week, but we'll go ahead and share some photos next week. Let's go ahead and take a look. Henry, good morning to you as well. Henry Skuman is from Henny Skuman is from South Africa as well. Good morning, Henny, to you. And oh, there we go. We got David in the house as well from Jamaica. Jamaica. Oh, I love Jamaica. We went on a vacation in Jamaica in 2018, and we absolutely love Jamaica. All right. All right, traders. Well, let's get into what we're all here to do today, and that is to enter the market and make some money. So let's go ahead and share some screens, and let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have right here. As we dig into some trade opportunities this morning, I've got the euro open right here. Let's see what we got. And by the way, all the trades that we had last week has paid off. Once again, here is the trading account that we used to trade. I have to make some changes to this because I've gone ahead and moved some money around. So I've got to go ahead and change some equity management on this. I'll talk about that in a minute. Let's go take a look and see what do we have regarding trade. So I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame. And I notice right here, we did have a nice little bullish rally, but we had a pullback over the last, well, let's see, 15 minutes. Let's take a look at 15. Oh, look at the indecision right here. I like this. The market had broken out, come back, retest here. I would be expecting this pair to continue to rally. And if we go to the top right here, just to retest the top, we're going to make that 20 pips right here that we're looking for. So I'm eager to go ahead and be long on Euro US dollar. So early start. Here's an early start right here. We can go long on Euro US dollar. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my trading tool right here. And I'm going to make a couple of adjustments to my equity management right here. I used to, I separated the money a little bit. I actually brought this down to about a $10,000 trading account because I noticed that a lot of emails that come through to me of traders that have got smaller trading accounts. So I want to go ahead and make this sort of like closer to what they have, so they have an idea of exactly how to manage their risk as well. And I'm not telling you how to manage your risk. I'm showing you how I'm going to manage my risk. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and looking at my lot sizes. If it's a $10,000 trading account, what I should be doing if I'm trading 5 currency pairs, what I should do if I want to trade conservatively, I should go ahead and trade with 1 microlot for every $2,000 that I have in my trading account. That's if I want to be really conservative. If I want to be a little bit more aggressive, then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and trade with 5. If I trade 5 currency pairs, I would go ahead and trade with 1 microlot for every $1,000 I've got in my trading account. So you can decide how you want to be, how aggressive you want to be. I'm going to say this though. If you do have a live trading account in the US and you're following the system in the US, then using 1 microlot for every 1,000 is very aggressive and might set you up with a bit of margin issues. All right. So looking at maybe $1,500 in every 1 microlot for every $1,500 you got in your trading account might be a better suited risk management, even if you want to be a little aggressive. I would go ahead and say that's moderate. Okay. So with that being said, with $10,000, I'm looking at what? That's 2, that's 6, that's 4, 5. I could go with 6. 6 microlots would give me a good sort of risk management on my trade. So I'm going to go change this to 06 right here. So 06 right here, I'm going to go ahead and press OK. Right? And now, because I said I want to go ahead and buy it, let's go ahead and buy it. There it is, buy it. All right, so I'm in. So currently right now, I'm long on Euro US dollar right here. I'm looking for price to go ahead and move to its 20 pip target. I'm going to let that one go, and I'm going to go ahead and take a look. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at, there it is. There's that long. I'm going to go ahead and take a look for some new opportunities. All right, so let's go take a look at the new opportunity. So we're long right now on Euro US dollar. Now, if I'm long Euro US dollar, should I not be selling US dollar CAD? Well, that might be the case. So let's go take a look at US dollar CAD. All right, here we go. I'm going to go to the larger time frame, just take a look and see what's going on here. Nice little U-turn here on the 4-hour. Price is retesting this. Yep, absolutely. So let's go to the 15-minute time. No, for 1 hour. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and sell US dollar CAD right here. So I'm going to buy Euro US dollar, but I'm going to sell US dollar CAD. So this could change the risk here as well. I want to make sure I change my lot sizes. And I've gone ahead and adjusted my lot sizes, gone ahead and okayed that. And I'm going to go ahead and sell. So I'm selling US dollar CAD right now, looking for price to go ahead and drop back down south. Now, traders, you're probably looking at this saying, well, Big Dog, you're making a decision very quickly. Well, yes, because I just saw the Euro US dollar, and I automatically know what's going on with the US dollar CAD. If I see the same sort of patterns happening there, it's very easy for me to make a decision quickly on that pair. Let's take a look at the CAD Swiss. And if traders are saying, well, Big Dog, you're moving too quickly, man, I can't keep up. Listen, yeah, this trading session is all about trades and quickly. Sometimes you're going to move quickly. You cannot be taking and saying, hey, well, you know what, let's just wait 5 or 10 minutes before we enter this trade. Not going to happen. We're going to go quickly. The opportunity's there. Let's jump in. Let's get in on that trade. All right. So let's take a look and see what else we got here. This is CAD Swiss right here. CAD Swiss is, let's see here. This is the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to do some housekeeping here. And CAD Swiss, let's see here. If I'm looking at US dollar CAD to be bearish, now think about it. If I'm thinking US dollar CAD to be bearish, that means that dollar's going to be weak, Canadian's going to be strong. So if we look at CAD Swiss, I might be looking at CAD going long and Swiss going short, so which means you can see some weakness in CAD, which is good. That's what I really want, because I'm looking at the Euro CAD as well. But this right here, for me, this is the 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look at the okay. So there's a lot of support coming off over here. So traders, this could be right here. This could be a good level of support right here that the market's at. We've got the oscillator down below there that's turning, being an overbought condition. So we may end up seeing the market go up a little higher. We could be a little range bound. This could be trending a little bit, but we're probably looking for a correction move on this. Let's go to 15. Let's take a look at the 15. On the 15, we had a 5-wave structure right here. Which means there is some bearish movement here. Let's see here. Bit of support there. Looks like the 15-minute time frame is going to move into oversold condition right here at support. Let's buy. I'm ready to buy. I'm ready to buy the CAD Swiss right here. Oopsie, before I do that, let me change my risk management right here. Perfect. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and buy. We're going to buy CAD Swiss right here. And let's take a look at Aussie. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD and New Zealand CAD. It's going to be interesting, this one right here. So if we're expecting Canadian to weaken, let's take a look at US oil. US oil is strengthening right now. Oh, hold on. Did we say weaken? No, we actually strengthened. Yeah, we did say strengthened. Sorry. So we're expecting Canadian dollar to strengthen, and we can see right here we're actually moving pretty strong right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm looking at this right here, and I'm seeing an overbought condition. This is the 1 hour time frame on oil. I'm also seeing the 4 hour is also in an overbought condition right here. Let me draw a trend line from the top here. Trend line on the top there. So we are getting this big push right here. The question here is how long is it going to last? You know what I'm going to do on this? I'm going to actually I'm thinking I might want to do a counter trade against against US oil. Meaning that I think US oil is pushing, but I think there's going to be a pullback. But I've got to take a look at the chart first. So let's go to New Zealand CAD right here. Oh, look at that. So New Zealand CAD is at this level of resistance right here. This is a 4 hour time frame. So if I go to the 1 hour right here, see a little bit of indecision. We're still about 30 minutes left there, but there's definitely resistance here. Overbought condition here, extreme overbought condition in the New Zealand CAD right here. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame shows a lot of indecision up here at the top. I'm going to sell New Zealand CAD. You might be thinking, Big Dog, are you kidding me? Yes, well, that's still banking on your strength for the Canadian dollar, right? So it's not really counter, because if I do go ahead and sell New Zealand CAD right here, then that means I'm still expecting oil to push up higher. Well, it's just because the chart is set up right here. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly sell that one there. There we go. I'm in on a sell on the New Zealand Canadian. So I'm selling New Zealand Canadian right here. Remember, we're using a cost averaging trading approach, traders. So remember that. So if we enter the market at support and resistance, if the market breaks through those levels, we're going to be buying again or selling again in different intervals. Now, if you want to go ahead and catch what we do here inside the session and find out all the trades that we enter to see where we enter all our different levels, then make sure you check out the description down below. Down below in the description is a Telegram link. Go ahead and connect to that Telegram link, and you'll get all the trades that we place in the show. So every trade that we place in the show, you will get the entry point. Whether we open or close a trade, you'll get all the information inside the Telegram channel. Check it out below. Now, while you're down below, you'll also see our sponsor. We've got something really cool about our sponsor that we're going to go ahead and talk about right after this. All right, traders. So we've got this at the moment right now. We've got an offer at the moment right now for anyone that opens up an 8-cap trading account with our link down below. So check out down below. You'll see there is a broker link. All right, and there's an offer. The broker's offering 20% bonus deposit on anyone that opens up a new trading account with 8-cap. We're also going to include, now this is only for international. When I talk about international, I'm talking about people outside the US and outside Australia. If you open up your trading account with 8-cap, you get a 20% bonus deposit. Plus, what we're going to be doing as well is if you let us know that you've opened an account through our broker link, we're also going to include a 1 month free of our trade replica. Again, last month we made over 20% last month alone. It's a good way to get started and get your account kick-started, because not only are you getting the bonus deposit, but you're getting a trade system that's going to be able to boost your account up and get you profitable very quickly. So that's the offer. Check it down below. The link's down below. Open up your account. It is only for the month of April. Haven't got much long left. So you got a month of April that we've got this offer going. So check out the description down below and get connected, my friends. Now, the next trade we're going to be looking at right here is the Aussie CAD. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD. There we go, Aussie CAD. Now Aussie CAD is pushing. It's pushing higher. Let's go to the 4-hour right here. Let's take a look here. We've got wave 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is important right here. Take a look at the wave structure. Go to wave 1, 2, 3, all right, and 4, 5. If I look over here, let me just double check on this level. So let's see if I go ahead and move it down to here. All right, so price, when the market completes the 5th wave, price chases after the 4th wave high right here. So which means, traders, I believe that this is going to create some downside move. I'm seeing it oscillating in an overbought condition, or at least heading to an overbought condition right here. So I'm going to think that we're going to have some price rejection right here, and we're going to see the market turn around. Let me go to the 1 hour. 1 hour is not showing any sort of indecision, but I am seeing negative divergence. Take a look over here. See how the oscillator is moving lower, but price is moving higher? We have negative divergence here, which means that we could get a little dip. And 20 pips is all we need. So I'm seeing that as well. 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look at the 15. Not getting much from the 15. I do see a bit of negative divergence there, but we did go into an oversold condition. So I'm not too excited about that. But I am excited about what I'm seeing here on the 1 hour. So I'm going to go ahead and follow what we did on the New Zealand dollar. And we can go ahead and sell this one right here and change the equity. We go ahead and sell on this one right here. And there we go. All right, so we are currently selling on 3 pairs: New Zealand CAD, Aussie CAD, and US dollar CAD. All 3 of them we are selling currently right now, which means that we're banking on a weaker Canadian dollar. We are currently also buying on 2 pairs: the Swiss CAD, which means obviously we expect some strength out of Canadian. So Swiss CAD we're buying, and then US dollar, or this Euro US dollar right here, we are buying as well. We're looking for price to go ahead and move back up north as well. So we've got a bunch of trades set up right here, traders. We'll take a look and see how that plays out. Remember, you can follow us in our Telegram channel. Inside the description is the details for our Telegram channel, and we'll go ahead and take a look and see how all of this plays out in the course of the next 24 hours. We'll be back again tomorrow to review the trades and see how it plays out. But again, follow us on Telegram. We'll see how that, see whether we add more trades to it, or we end up closing out with profits on these trades. I'll see you next time, traders. Have a fantastic time. I'll see you in the next session tomorrow. This is FxBigDog signing off.